World of Policy Car. Dunia mobil polisi.
Typical police decals and reinforced bumpers. A Mexican police car is a Paraguayan police car is a They typically have green and white exteriors with carabineros to.
Welcome to the General Toys channel. Number 1. 1. Indonesia Police Car. Mobil Polisi Indonesia.
Indonesian police vehicles. Managed by the Indonesian National Police, feature a fleet of cars from brands like Toyota, Mitsubishi, and Isuzu. These vehicles are.
Number 2. Nomor 2. Netherlands Police Car. Mobil Polisi Netherlands.
This is the police vehicle of the Netherlands, with its capital in Amsterdam, a population of approximately 17.5 million people, and a GDP of 1.2 trillion USD. Brands include Volkswagen and Mercedes-Benz, known for their distinctive white-orange-blue livery.
Number 3. Nomor 3. Mobil Polisi Turki. Police Car Turkey.
Turkish police vehicles, managed by the Turkish National Police, include a range of models such as Honda, Toyota, and Renault. These vehicles are equipped with advanced technology for law enforcement, traffic management, and public safety, supporting security operations across Turkey's diverse regions.
Number 4. Nomor 4. Jepang Polisi Car. Mobil Polisi Jepang.
Japanese police vehicles, managed by the National Police Agency, primarily include reliable domestic brands like Toyota, Nissan, and Subaru. Equipped with advanced technology and efficient designs, they are used for traffic control, crime prevention, and ensuring public safety across Japan's urban and rural areas.
Number 5. Nomor 5. Brazil Police Car. Mobil Polisi Brazil.
This is the police vehicle of Brazil, with its capital in Brasilia, a population of approximately 214 million people, and a GDP of 2.3 trillion USD. Brands include Chevrolet, Toyota, and Fiat, with popular models like the Chevrolet S10 pickup.
Number 6. Nomor 6. Australia Police Car. Mobil Polisi Australia.
This is the police vehicle of Australia. With its capital in Canberra, a population of approximately 26 million people, and a GDP of 1.6 trillion USD. Brands include BMW, Kia, and formerly Holden, with performance models like the Kia Stinger used in some states.